Your project has been published in the dissemination platform. You are now requested to update, add results and related attachments.
In order to get access to the promoter's dashboard, you have to log in using your ECAS username and password. When logging in for the first time, you must accept the terms and conditions displayed on the screen. Once accepted, this message will not appear anymore. You have been directed to the promoter's dashboard, where you can see the list of projects you are responsible for.
By clicking on the eye icon, you can see the project information.
You can edit a project by clicking on the pencil icon on the right side of the list.
You are now ready to complete your project card. The project identifier and the project title cannot be edited. It is possible to add or modify the URL field. Do not forget to type the full address starting with www.
Save the changes by clicking on the Save button. To start adding results, click on the Results tab. In order to add a result, click on the Add Result button. The Add Result pop-up window appears. Type the title and provide a description of your result. Click on the Save button and your new result will appear in the list of results linked to your project. You can create as many results as you wish by repeating the same steps.
Notice that a green Added label appears for every new result.
You are now able to perform 3 different actions on each result: edit, delete, and attach files. Let's try to delete one result. Click on the X icon and confirm. The result is deleted from the project and will no longer appear in the list. You can attach the files relating to the project results by clicking on the folder icon. This will allow you to browse for files on your PC and select the one you wish to upload. You can repeat the operation as many times as required, adding different attachments for the same result.
In the Files column, you will see how many attachments have been uploaded for each result.
Do not forget that you can also save your project card at any time to ensure no loss of data.
Saving changes without submitting to review will allow you to come back to your project card in a second moment and to finalize the modifications before submission.
Once you are satisfied with all the modifications to your project card, save the changes. In order to make all changes and new results public, your officer needs to review and validate the changes. Click on the Submit to Review button to send a request for validation to your officer. After doing so, you won't be able to modify your project further until the review has taken place. This is why it is important to ensure you have made all the changes needed before submitting.
The project disappears from the promoter's dashboard. Once the officer has validated or rejected the promoter's changes, the project promoter will receive an email notifying that the modifications have been approved or rejected. In this example, you clearly see, under Status, that the changes have been rejected. If the officer rejects the changes you made to your project, you will receive an email explaining the reasons for rejection and what you need to improve before submitting again. On rejection, the project card will appear in your list of projects.
Click on the pencil icon corresponding to the project whose result has been rejected. Click on the Results tab.
Modify, correct, and enrich your project following your officer's comments.
For example, your officer has asked you to change the description field of an existing result. Click on the pencil icon corresponding to the result you need to modify. Improve your description according to the instructions by modifying the description field. Save your changes and do not forget to click on the Submit to Review button in order to let the officer review your changes again. Connect again to your dashboard. Once your officer has validated the changes, you will be notified by email and you will be able to see your modified project with its results in the public page.
When the officer validates the changes, they become public in the dissemination platform.
You can go to the public page of the dissemination platform and look for your project by typing in the search bar the title or the identifier of your project. You can see your project results by clicking on the Results tab of the project card.